Hi, I'm Preeti. Today, join me on a journey of discovery. Along the way, we will discover a company that makes India very, very proud. A company that in 50 years has emerged a leader in its field. A company that has won some of the biggest orders in the country for their products against worldwide competition. The company is Johnson, leaders in India for vertical transportation. Now, let's continue our journey at a shopping mall. The shiny new examples of India's emerging super cities. The builders of malls know they have to choose the best in class for all facilities. Little wonder, over 100 malls in India have chosen Johnson escalators and elevators for their projects. Here is a really interesting fact that Johnson is the only company to manufacture escalators in the country. Next time you're in a mall and find the Johnson sign, you have reason to be proud. Now, let's journey closer to Johnson by going right to the source in Chennai. You are looking at one of the tallest elevator testing towers in the country. You have joined me at the Johnson factory in Chennai. They also have an elevator factory in Nagpur that adds up to 80,000 square meters of total built-up area. Johnson has unsurpassed manufacturing capacity in the country by producing over 8,000 units per annum. Let's take a closer look inside. The factories are world-class in every way, from cutting-edge equipment to quality processes, from the skills of our manpower to the brains in R&D. So you can bet that when you get Johnson, you get the best. Now, we are the only escalator factory in the entire country. This 10,000 square meter Johnson escalator factory is located in Oragadam in Chennai. In February 2010, the first indigenously manufactured escalator rolled out of Johnson. To date, over 800 commercial escalators proudly sport the Made in India label. We are at the Johnson In-House Training Center. Here's where you become a true Johnsonite. It's set up like a model workplace to learn the ins and outs of an elevator. No wonder Johnson has the best record for installation and maintenance in the country. The desire to be the best sometimes means joining hands with the best. For high-speed elevators, for very tall buildings, Johnson has a joint venture with Toshiba, world leaders in the field. For escalators, Johnson has a technology agreement with SJEC of China. However, what really makes Johnson tick is the 6,000 strong team of Johnsonites spread over 45 offices, 3 factories, and an installed base of over 50,000 units. With this large family, this 50-year young 1,000 crore company is growing faster, stronger, higher. Impressed? When it comes to numbers, you just can't beat Johnson. Number 1 by sales since 2009, this Indian company is a market leader, made possible by the hands-on management at the top, with a team of dedicated professionals. The prestigious lineup of clients and the pan-Indian presence of Johnson in the infrastructure sector, be it metros, railways or airports. The journey continues. With our presence in 6 metros, 65 railway stations and 15 airports, Johnson is the undisputed leader in its field. I hope this has been as exhilarating a journey for you as it was for me. For Johnson, 50 years is but a golden beginning, and they're setting goals ever higher for the future.